Number 1, location. We're a family-owned business with local offices across the Southeast. We live in the same neighborhoods as our customers and care about the preservation of our local communities. We aren't a box store supplier or a franchise. We work locally as one team to fix your home the right way, the first time. Number 2, accreditation. We are Better Business Bureau accredited with an A+ rating. We've been in business for 20 years and we've maintained that rating along the way. We're also a proud recipient of the Torch Award, which is a customer-nominated award given to businesses that demonstrate superior marketplace ethics. You can rest assured you're working with a customer-verified company that isn't satisfied until you are. Number 3, our staff. Our employees are full-time, direct employees of AFS that are fully insured. We don't subcontract or hire day laborers. Again, you can rest assured that the people working on your home and around your family are fully qualified to do so. Number 4, customer care. AFS customers have access to our customer care plan. This gives our customers the ability to meet with our service department on a yearly basis to make sure that our systems are running at full efficiency. This helps us better serve our customers and honor our warranties. Number 5, 100% free inspections. If you have a water or foundation concern, there's a lot of value in knowing what the problem is to start with, and from there, how it can be corrected. It doesn't cost a dime for us to come out and quickly diagnose those potential concerns for you. Let us help you as you plan for the future for your family and your home. For more information, give us a call or look us up at afsrepair.com.